Hello and welcome. Today is something different again. I'm really excited to do this piece. It is in a few sessions because you have to let the base coat dry. But as you see, I'm just putting some really sort of gorgeous, yummy berry colours there. And it's just on a small canvas, a 25 by 25, because again, I'm testing out the process. But I'm pretty excited about doing this on a bigger canvas. So it's just going along merrily there and spreading your paint on your canvas and doing your edges. I mean, I wish that I'd actually left it right there at that stage colour, but I didn't, of course. But this is why you can do, it's always good to do a test piece on a smaller canvas because you get to know what you do want and don't want, but nothing set in concrete with fluid art. So I just wanted really bright sort of sunset colours, and there is going to be a stencil on top of this when it's fully dry. So I really enjoyed this process, so please watch on. So my colours are all dry under there. I've stuck my stencil to the canvas. Obviously the whole stencil didn't fit, but I'm going to now stencil. I've been told that brushes with actually round heads are better. These are actual stencil brushes by Montmartre. So I'm going to, that one isn't, that one's a makeup brush, but it was, but it's very, very soft, so I think I probably need something a little bit more. So I'm going to try this one anyway. I've got some just black, and I have been told that probably should have some water. Gosh, I'm never prepared, am I? I'm hopeless. Give me a second, Water. I'm just going to damp my brush, and see if, I'm just going to damp it, wipe it off a bit. I'm going to just see if this, I've been told that to begin with you only sort of do it light, then go back over it. So I'm going to do it like this. Just be mindful to hold it down so as it doesn't bleed underneath. So if your paint is the fluid art, it's too runny and it will go underneath your stencil. It's these fine bits that I'm gonna, yeah. Okay. Maybe I could have even sprayed over this. Maybe that would have worked even better. I'm not sure. I have done a spray one. I think this stencil brush is actually quite good. It's better than some others that I've used for sure. So this was the Montmartre one. Montmartre stencil. Should have put my gloves on. Silly Gilly. See, I don't want to let this dry. You don't leave your stencil on, let it dry, otherwise you sometimes can pull it off and it sticks, but and you can't clean your stencil up. So I'll just go over areas that I can see that might need a little bit. I mean, I can always wash my stencil and then put it back over for another coat. I have done that recently, so that works too. I'm going to take my stencil straight off. So this was on a smaller canvas, just again to take your stencil off very carefully so it don't, a smaller canvas just to basically test out how it worked. So fiddly, I think it's fiddlier on a smaller canvas. Is that a word? Fiddlier. Doesn't sound right, does it? Fiddlier. Well, I'd say it's a Gilly word. Yeah. Okay. Oops, a daisy. Let's turn her around. Bring her back. Ooh, 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 ooh. 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 Oh, I like it. Oh my goodness, I like it so much. Oh, this opens up so many more possibilities, doesn't it? Wow, wow, wow. I'll bring you down and have a little look-see. Wow, I'm really happy with this, the effect that gives. It's something different. It's always nice to try different things. Not sure if I should have done that sort of bluish band there. I think I should have kept it to the real sunset colours, but it's quite an interesting piece. You could pick out, once it's dried, you can sort of detail it a little bit more. But I'm happy with that. Always happy to try new things and hope you like it too. There is some stencils in my link for my Amazon shop that's in the description underneath my video. So if you want to have a little look-see at the stencils that are available, go and have a look-see. So until next time, my lovelies, thank you so much for joining me. I enjoyed this thoroughly, to do something different. Remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, or please seek help from a family member or a friend, and if that isn't available to you, then always a helpline. Bye for now.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things